Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how students can benefit from Chat GPT. As an AI language model, Chat GPT can provide several benefits to students, ranging from academic assistance to improving their writing skills. Academic assistance. One of the primary benefits of Chat GPT is its ability to provide academic assistance to students. Whether you're struggling with a particular subject or need help with a research project, Chat GPT can provide you with relevant information and resources. With its vast database and natural language processing capabilities, Chat GPT can answer complex questions and provide accurate and up-to-date information. Writing skills. Another benefit of Chat GPT is that it can help improve your writing skills. If you struggle with grammar or sentence structure, Chat GPT can provide suggestions and corrections to help you write better. Additionally, Chat GPT can help you expand your vocabulary by suggesting synonyms and antonyms, making your writing more varied and interesting. Language learning. If you're learning a new language, Chat GPT can also be a valuable tool. With its language translation capabilities, Chat GPT can help you translate sentences and phrases, making it easier to communicate with others. Additionally, Chat GPT can help you learn new words and phrases by providing their translations and definitions. Accessibility. Finally, Chat GPT can provide accessibility to students with disabilities or learning differences. For example, if a student has dyslexia or other reading difficulties, Chat GPT can read text aloud or provide audio versions of documents. This can help these students learn more effectively and participate more fully in their education. Personalized learning. One of the key advantages of Chat GPT is its ability to provide personalized learning experiences. By analyzing a student's past interactions and preferences, Chat GPT can tailor its responses to their individual needs and learning styles. This can help students learn more efficiently and effectively, as they receive targeted assistance that addresses their specific strengths and weaknesses. 24/7 availability. Another benefit of Chat GPT is its availability 24/7. Students can access Chat GPT at any time, from anywhere with an internet connection. This means that if you're stuck on a homework problem late at night, you can still get help without having to wait until the next day. Additionally, students who are studying remotely can still access Chat GPT for academic assistance and support. Collaboration. Chat GPT can also facilitate collaboration among students. By using Chat GPT as a virtual study group or discussion forum, students can work together on projects, share ideas, and provide feedback on each other's work. This can help students build connections with their peers and learn from one another, even if they're not physically in the same location. Continuous learning. Finally, Chat GPT can help students continue learning even outside of the classroom. By providing access to a wealth of knowledge and resources, Chat GPT can inspire students to explore new topics and pursue their interests. This can help foster a love of learning and encourage students to engage in lifelong learning. Conclusion. Chat GPT can benefit students in a variety of ways, from providing academic assistance and improving writing skills to facilitating collaboration and encouraging continuous learning. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and natural language processing, Chat GPT can help students overcome challenges and achieve their academic goals, while also promoting lifelong learning and personal growth. Thanks for watching our video on how students can benefit from Chat GPT. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding how this powerful artificial intelligence tool can revolutionize your learning experience.